Good morning, everyone. It's just 39 minutes after the open, and you're looking at Dan Merkin's desktop. I'm the CEO of Trade Ideas. What can I tell you guys? That every day I'm showing you on video things that people say can't be done. Look at this AI trade in IMMR that Holly found for a 16% winner right now that's still open. Of course, based on our AI logic, she'll exit in 36 minutes with close to a 16% profit, but you could potentially stay in longer and get more. The future, of course, you can't predict exactly what's going to happen, but the bottom line is we know that Holly will get you into things that have very high potential of success. One of the things that I wanted to point out was yesterday, Holly had suggested a short in Momo. Let's take a look at that. Now, she was only successful just a little bit yesterday on that trade, but that goes back to what we're trying to say, that the AI trades are not meant for day trading. They're meant as investment options that just have outsized return potential. So you have this ability to make this kind of gain, which is a gain that any investor would love over the course of a year or two, and here you're making it in an hour. Just think on that a little bit. It's really under an hour, of course, but that's what's possible, and that's what we're trying to bring to the table, to the individual investor, to your brokerage partner. Of course, the brokers, and I think they're going to get it soon, but right now, they're primarily focused on trying to figure out a way to get your account versus giving you opportunities to find and make money. That's not the best for you, but we are hoping to be able to change their perspective by showing them that there is a technological leap forward that's happened. And you can see it here. By the way, a recent trade just came in, I think. Where did it pop in just a second ago? 7-Eleven. Yeah, right here. SGMO. So the software will take us through the trade. So right now, all of the open trades in risk off mode are positive, and in risk on mode, you're up $1.33, risk off 94. The difference between these two is how you stay in the market. If you let the volatility work for you, or if you let it work against you. Let's take a look at the spiders and see what they're doing here. Usually I have that so it doesn't change. So these should not change anymore, so we'll just keep that right here. This is the daily, and this is the 5-minute, and the market's going up. And I said this yesterday, the market is a hedge against the US dollar, and it's a way for people to ride human innovation. And of course, let me pull up AIEQ, and here's old Watson, who looks to me like he's decided to stop trying to fight it and just trying to be in it. That's what I think Watson has figured out. Listen, a rising tide will lift all boats. Now, Watson's not going to do any of this magic. That's impossible. Nothing like this. But we'll see what they do. IBM, I mean, they must know something. Here we go. You can see the profits. It's 43 minutes after the open. And look at the gains in profit terms that you have been given an opportunity to have. This is how individual investors make money. It's as simple as that. And as you notice from the videos that I put out, we are continuing to put them out. Yesterday, the AI was up 6 points. It's up 1 point today. Meanwhile, the SPY, even though it's going up as well, I'm not saying anything bad about it, it's up $1.50, but this is a gigantic move. Gigantic for the Standard & Poor's. Whereas a move, in a stock like IMMR that's up 92 cents, you're never going to see that in the S&P. So keep that in mind. It's just a perspective of what you can focus on and your attention. Your attention is everything. This is our web-based product now. It has everything, the AI, your own decision trees, and here I have the halts and the resumes so that I know exactly what is happening. The idea here is you're really not going to miss much of anything. And you can tell which way everything's going by our customized bullish price action versus bearish price action flow indicator, which doesn't just look at daily highs and lows, but deeper information. Wow, look at ARDM. This is idea generation. This is the future of investing, and we just hope that your broker figures this out sooner for you so that you can get access. That's how it should be. Take a look for yourself, www.trade-ideas.com. The future of investing is right here.